How to deactivate Messenger account. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your Messenger application. Then tap on the three lines at the top left. And tap the setting icon. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Account Center. From here, tap on Personal Details. Then tap Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Now tap on which account you want to deactivate. In here, just choose Deactivate Account and tap Continue below. Tap Continue. Type in your password to proceed, then tap Continue. In here, you can choose any of the reasons from this list since it does not matter. Then scroll down and tap Continue. It says here that you can reactivate your account through Account Center, which you can open using Instagram application, or you can set here how many days you would like to deactivate this account and it will reactivate automatically. You have here one up until 7 days of option here, or you can just choose not to reactivate your account automatically. Let's just say that I will reactivate this account after 1 day, then let's tap on Continue. Now it basically says that if you tap on Continue using Messenger, it will not deactivate your account fully since people can still search for your name and message you. But if you don't tap on Continue using Messenger, it will be deactivated. So now, let's just tap on Deactivate my account. And that's it. Your account is now deactivated. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.